Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amex app how to change statement date. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can change your American Express Amex card statement in the app by simply heading over and launching the app, and then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account by tapping on login and entering your username and your password. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the card for which you want to change the statement date. Then once you select it, all you gotta do, go to the account services and then select payment and billing or manage billing depending on the app version. And once that's done, select change statement date and inside choose your new preferred statement closing date. And once that's done, simply confirm the change, and the new statement date usually takes effect in the next billing cycle, and your payment due date will adjust automatically based on the new statement date. You can also change the statement date by phone by calling the number on the back of your card and saying you want to change your credit card statement closing date, and the representative will confirm and set your new date. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.